I can't, honestly, hindi pa rin ako makapag-iwala. But I'm really happy. I'm really, really happy. You'll be with Augie, you'll be with us. You'll be with not just artists, but friends who have loved you for years. We're not just fans, but we are friends. Regine, I'm really happy for you. I will always make ourselves available for you, for your new ideas, for your great ideas. But God bless you, Regine. And may your time here, may your season with us be the happiest one that you've ever had yet. God bless you, my friend.
Hi, Ate Raj! Welcome to ABS-CBN. Happy day naman ito para sa aming lahat at mabibigyan kami ng chance para makatrabaho isang Regine Velasquez. At looking forward kami na makatrabaho ka.
Okay. We're just happy and glad that you are here, and I hope mag-enjoy ka. If you need anything you have in mind, just we're all here for you. You really enjoy your time here. Looking forward to working with you. Welcome to ABS, Rich.
Mabuhay! Isang magandang balita ito para sa akin. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, magkikita at maaaring magkasama tayo. Ako ay masayang masaya lahat ng buong kapamilya sa iyong pagpasok. Mabuhay!
We're just very happy na nandito lang kayo. Looking forward po to sharing the stage with you dito po sa ASA. We love you.
Hello, my love! Hi, Regine. Thank you so much for joining our family. I'm so happy that you're finally with us kasi yung sabihin mas madalas na kita makikita o makakasama. I love you. Always mo nasa location ako ngayon. So sorry ha. Pero kung hindi sana ayos ako nakagawa na ako para i-welcome ka lang. Kung pwede lang i-hug kita ngayon. I love you so much and you know that. And I'm so blessed to have you for my friend. You are one of God's best gifts to me this whole year. I love you. Welcome to ABS-CBN, Kapamilya.
Breaking news! My God! Nasa ABS-CBN na ang pinakapaborito kong ibon sa buong mundo. Narito na ang ibon na matagal ko nang inaantay at gusto kong makapili ng paborito kong ibon, the one and only songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez. Welcome to the Kapamilya Network. I'm so happy and so excited to be working with you. I'm very sure mag-work talaga tayo together. At saka inaantay din na ng mga viewers sa GGB. Dahil sa first time ko doon. Kaya dito na sa akin kung Charot! Welcome! I love you! I'm very proud na magkasama tayo sa isang network. I'm so happy. Everyone is so happy. Lahat na yata ay natin ang matagal na. This is the gift that the Lord has given. So we will rejoice. Okay, I love you. Congratulations and God bless you.
Wow! Thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa mga kaibigan nating press na nandito. Thank you very much for coming. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga friends ko. Nung isang araw na pwede magsalita. Ako lang ang artistang inaaway ko. Hindi, gusto ko lang sabihin, nagsasalita na ako. Hindi, nung isang araw nag-tweet ako na na-appreciate ko kayong lahat, pinagtatanggol niyo ako. You really didn't have to, but you guys are you going an extra mile just para lang ipagtanggol ako. Maraming salamat. I really appreciate it. I love you guys very much. And you are one of the reasons why I'm still here. So thank you very much.